Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and today we're going to be looking at Unity's new Mega Bundle, which is their 30 for 30 bundle, which is a 95% off saving on 30 different tools and art-specific projects, whether this be characters, monsters, shaders, usable tools, and stuff that I've never seen on sale on the Unity store before. And this begins on the 5th of July all the way up to the 20th, and this entire bundle is worth well over $500. So we're going to go through all of the pack today with the two bundles. I'll show you exactly what's in them, and you can decide whether you want to pick it up. And I will have all the links in the description for all the sales, and another Humble Bundle link with some more Unity assets that have never been on sale either. And do be sure to check out my Patreon too to get access to over 195 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So the first one is you pay $20 or more and you'll get 15 of these great assets, and I'll go through all of those. So number one is the UI particle image, and this is a solution to create particle effects that are specifically for your UIs, and it offers features like attractors, masking, trails, so you can move things, use texture sheets, events. The next one is the 2D Pixel RPG Monster Pack, and this is 96 different PNG files at various resolutions with shadows and unshadowed, whether that be forest, undead, jungle, sea, ice, devil, and other style variants. The next one is the Fighter Pack Bundle. It includes 4 different fighter style packs with mechanism animations, with 252 style animations, with 5-finger support, concise and clean controllers, whether you need that for a berserker, a human, a female, or a normal style fighter. And the next one is the Horror Bundle Sound Effects, with over 2,000 sound effects across loads and loads of different horror related, or you could use these in other things for kitchens, monster sounds, doors, gore, ghosts and zombies, just common horror style effects. The next one is the mirrors and reflections for VR, and it is also suitable for non-VR projects, so it's easy planar reflections that can be used in URP specifically for either a single pass or a multipass for VRs. It's suitable for creating the reflection and refraction at a small cost to performance. The next one is the wireframe shader effect, which takes less than 30 seconds to add to any game object you want, suitable across all pipelines, and you can create that look based on the object's wireframe to create more of a stylistic look for your game. The next one is something called geometry algorithms. It's a series of algorithms that help you generate and improve complex geometry from any dataset, whether you need that for 2D, 2.5D, for example, terrains and other datasets, and you'll be able to create custom shapes with both convex and concave hulls. The next one is something called medical equipments, and it's a package of 44 unique meshes, all with manual LODs, all in a AAA quality with 4000 resolution and textures with all the different images, monitors, equipment and animations. The next one is Magic Slashes FX, which is 12 different slashes supported across all different platforms, works in both 2D and 3D, with HDR bloom particles and other effects included. The next one is the 3D Sci-Fi Base Volume 1, which is a modular kit to help you create space interiors with over 200 different prefabs, 4K PBR textures, and loads of stuff for a sci-fi based environment. The next one is the Pixel Heroes Editor, and this allows you to create pixel with specific sprite sheets, so you can paint body parts with tons of equipment and weapons, animations, unified with everything in here to get yourself started with your own cute little creator. The next one is Toon Dinosaurs 2, which includes a bunch of specific dinosaurs with animations with 3 attacks, with 2 getting hit, 1 death, 1 get up animation, roars, turning, moving in every direction. The next one is the third person shooter military style, and this is a kit which works out of the box specifically for mobile and desktop, and it's easy to use with a UI framework, camera state machines, a hands-free mode, lots of different systems for ammo and health pickups, weapon reloads, changing weapons, and then we have the ultimate screenshot tool, which is a tool across every pipeline, supports all platforms, and you can easily take high definition screenshots in the editor and in the game. You can show all the screenshots in a game UI for fun gameplay or whatever you want that specifically to be. And last but not least in this pack is the Stylized KARTS 1, which is a pack of 6 variants of kart with 2 meshes, 3 different materials, with various kart variants up to around 50,000 triangles in size, 4K textures, and really high detailed. And the next one is a pack of $30 or more for another 15, and you will get the 15 beforehand as well for the same price. And I'll go through all these too. So the first one is the Polygon Nature Low Poly Arts in 3D. This has thousands of props for trees, plants, terrains, rocks, all in that classic polygon style with custom water shaders, all set up with LODs, suitable for the universal render pipeline. The next one is the 12 localization, supporting across Unity UI, 2D, Text Mesh Pro, and all the different kits across images, text, sounds, fonts, sprites. It's got auto translation features you can export to spreadsheets and other things like that, and it's actually one of the highest rated localization packs on the Unity Asset Store. The next one is something called the Atlas Terrain Editor, and this is a non-destructive next generation terrain editor which allows you to stamp things like mountains, dunes, craters, volcanoes, roads and rivers as regular prefabs. The next one is the super realistic diamond shaders. So this is supported across all platforms and as well as URP and HDRP, and comes with very specific camera flare effects to create that super realistic diamond look. Next one is Damage Numbers Pro, and this is a way to add pop-outs and damage text numbers in just 2 or 3 lines of code. So it had a new update recently which improves performance fourfold. It's got loads of different demos. You can have stuff face the camera, rotate over time, scale. The next one is something called Bad Word Filter Pro. So this allows you to review, select and read and replace bad words with more appropriate phrases. You can do this for domains, URLs, email addresses, capitalization, punctuation, anything that you need it to do. It has over 5,000 expressions in 25 different languages, so you can always catch those exceptions. The next one is the INVECTOR third-person basic locomotion template. So this is an advanced third-person character controller with a customizable template. It has basic locomotion, sprinting, jumping, crouching, rolling, vaulting, climbing, stepping up on obstacles, ladder climbing, ragdoll footsteps, and so many other options. The next one is Grid Builder 2. And this is a building system which allows you to use any type, whether you need this for real-time strategy, tower defense, simulator, tabletop games, and other stuff like that. So you can create and design your grid with a layout, with all the tools included. You can place, remove, and move existing objects already there. The next one is the Ultimate Low Poly Mining, Cave, and Blacksmith pack. So this is a set of stylized low poly mining equipment cave pack with over 2,597 different assets, 52 particles, and a large demo scene to show off everything that's in this pack. The next one is the Tropical Forest pack, which is over 20 different ground cover prefabs, 11 props, 2 scanned rocks, 15 model trees, 8 different 2K ground textures, falling leaf particles, and all loads of stuff with collisions, compatible with loads of different of the popular assets on the Unity store. The next one is something called Endless Book, which is a complete way to visualize a book inside Unity. So if you've ever seen sort of a flip book to tell a story, it has that. So it's one book with 5 different materials. You could choose the front, the middle, everything with various different levels of quality, whether you need it on a table or you want something to be directly in front of the screen. The next one is the Lost Temple, and this is a high quality low poly 3D package with 56 different low poly models, a full demo scene supported across built-in URP and HDRP, and has loads of demos and everything to show it off. The next one is the Advanced Foliage Pack 2.0, which is a group of foliage, grass, trees, roots, stumps, ground textures, and even stuff with dynamic snow cover. The next one is the NODACHI ANIMSET with over 70 different animations with various attacks, combos, deaths, idles, rolls, jumps, runs, and loads of animations for a humanoid style character. And last but not least in here is the PBR Fighters pack. Then this includes 15 super high quality characters with animations and rigs in various levels of triangle count with 4K textures, with loads of fighter characters, whether that's humanoid or very monster-ish looking characters, and it has a great deal of selection in here. So remember to check out this bundle, and I'll put all the links down in the description, and there's also another great one on the Humble Bundle if you don't want to miss out, and all the rest of the links in the description too. Do be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 195 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Come and check out all my great assets on the Unity Asset Store and on my website for massive savings. Big thanks to all my patrons. Big thank you to Peter Steiner and Christian Van Ziel for their amazing support. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.